All right, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look at this problem. They're wanting us to simplify 3 times the square root of 3 minus the square root of 12. Well, when you first look at it right now, there's nothing that we can do with it, you know. We have square root of 3 here. We don't have a square root of 3 over here, so we can't treat these as like terms. So sometimes, somebody might say, well, it's already simplified. But see, it's not. We've got to look at this square root of 12. Let's come over and look at 12 and write 12 as 4 times 3 because with this 4, I know I have a pair. So I know that the square root of 12 is the same thing as the square root of 2 times 2 times 3 because 2 times 2 times 3 is the number 12. It just looks different, but it is the number 12. And we have a property of these radicals that say when you have multiplication, you can break them apart. And now, since it's a square root, we were looking for pairs, and we have it right here, the square root of 4. 2 times 2 is 4. We know that this is just an ugly way to write the number 2. And over here, since I don't have a pair of 3's, I really can't do anything. So that's the square root of 12. It doesn't look like it, but it's equivalent to 2 times the square root of 3. So let's come back here. Our first term, 3 square root of 3, we left it alone because we can't break down that 3 other than 3 times 1. That square root of 3 is going to stay the square root of 3. But we know that this square root of 12, that we can replace it with 2 times the square root of 3. Now we have like terms. We have 3 of these radical 3's, and we're taking away 2 of those radical 3's. So how many radical 3's do we have? Well, 3 minus 2 is just 1. And some people like to put the 1 there, and other people know that, hey, you can leave it as the square root of 3. So I hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.